So here's my juice drink for this week. Go ahead and check out the ingredients. I have here cabbage, celery, apple, and mint. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start out by chopping up the vegetables. The main vegetable that I'm going to discuss in this video will be cabbage. I've used celery and apple in my other videos. So if you want to learn more about the nutrition facts, go ahead and check those videos out. Also for this recipe, I have a handful of mint from my garden. So here's the star of the video, cabbage, which is a cruciferous vegetable. Cabbage is high in vitamins C, B, folic acid, and beta-carotene. They also contain minerals such as sulfur and chlorine, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iodine. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse everything off and begin juicing. Juicing is the most effective way to get nutrients into your body ASAP. I love juicing fresh juices. They are loaded with all kinds of healthy ingredients such as antioxidants, vitamins, natural antibiotics, beneficial nutrients, and anti-inflammatory substances that protect your body's cells as well as reduce pain. So let's talk more about cabbage. Some of the benefits of cabbage is that they are excellent for any digestive problems or intestinal problems. Cabbage also reduces disorders of the bile ducts, and they are a great skin cleanser. If you have any problems such as stomach ulcers, cabbage is great for that, so make some cabbage juice. Cabbage also has anti-cancer benefits because it contains sulforaphane. What is sulforaphane, you ask? I am going to tell you. Sulforaphane is a sulfur-rich compound found in cruciferous vegetables like bok choy, broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. It has been shown to provide powerful health benefits, one of which are cancer. The way that sulforaphane works is that it may prevent cancer cell growth by releasing antioxidant and detoxification enzymes that protect against carcinogens. Carcinogens are the substances that cause cancer. So I could go on and on about cabbage. I love cabbage. I juice cabbage. When I did my 30-day fast, which I only made it 28 days, but the goal was 30. But when I did my fast, I did a lot of cabbage juice drinks. Cabbage tastes great. This drink here, this recipe here actually is so good. You guys have to give it a try. There are many recipes that I have and that I am going to share on this channel, so make sure that you set that notification bell. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope that this video was beneficial to you, and I hope that you'll make yourself some cabbage juice, but not just straight cabbage. You can add apples to it like you see I've done here. You can even add cucumber. There are many ways that you can spruce it up to make a great tasting drink, all the while consuming all of the nutrients that your body desires and craves. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.